Hi guys, I'm Raul Nemes with Remnant Woodworks, and today I'm going to show you how to make an old-fashioned using the Remnant Woodworks cocktail smoking kit. The smoking kit consists of a white oak smoker that has a place for your wood chips and a metal filter to keep the chips out of your glass so that only the smoke goes into your glass. We also include a cover for your glass which doubles as an ashtray so that you're not putting burnt wood on your countertop or on your cutting board. Additionally, we include wood chips of different species of wood that you can use for the different flavors that you want in your glass. I got this design from Hamilton Dilbeck on YouTube. He's got a lot of great YouTube videos on how to make these, and eventually I'm going to make a video about how I make these as well. But for now, let's go ahead and make a drink. So an old-fashioned is typically made with bourbon, a sugar, and bitters. Additionally, you could use an orange peel for some flavoring as well, and it's a smoked cocktail, and that's what we're going to do today. Since we're in Canada, we're going to use maple syrup for ours. Everybody loves a nice Canadian old-fashioned. So I'm going to start with the maple syrup. I'll put a little bit in the glass. Then our orange flavored bitters, and I'm using Angostura bitters. These are just the ones that are available in my area. You can use any kind that you like. There's all sorts of flavors you can use. So I'm going to put a few drops there. And then one of my favorite bourbons, Elijah Craig. This is a Kentucky straight bourbon. I would drink it out of the bottle, but we're going to use it directly in the drink. All right, that looks like it's going to be a pretty stiff drink. So the last thing we have to do now is we have to smoke this, and this is where the Remnant Woodworks cocktail smoker is going to come into play. So my torch is a little bit light on butane, so I'm just going to quickly charge it. We have our butane bottle here. Be very careful when you do this. It just goes in the bottom. You only need to do it for a few seconds, and now your torch is charged. And we've got a nice flame going on that. Next, I'm going to put my smoker right on my glass. We're going to grab some wood chips, and I'm using cherry this time around. And you don't need a lot. Just want to put a few in there. A pinch is enough. And now we're going to smoke it. And we can see the smoke going directly into the glass. We'll give it a little more. And now let's just cover that up. So as you see, the topper acts as both an ashtray and a topper for your glass. And this way, we're not going to put all of these burnt wood chips on our countertops. And you can let that sit there as long as you like. It's really up to you. If you like something a little more smoky, let it sit for a while. If you like it less smoky, you can take it out, finish your drink, and enjoy your drink. So we'll take it off. We'll put this off to the side, put our smoker in it. Let's add a few ice cubes. Cheers. Oh yeah. So I'm Raul Nemes with Remnant Woodworks, and you've just seen how we make a nice old-fashioned using the Remnant Woodworks cocktail smoking kit. We sell these as the simple smoker with the ashtray if you don't have any of that yourself. A small kit with the wood chips that comes with the smoker and the ashtray and the wood chips, and then a large kit that comes with the butane torch and butane. These are available on my website at remnantwoodworks.com. Thank you, and please enjoy responsibly.